Hello busy bees. This week we've been talking about pollution, and one of the things that makes pollution is litter lying all over the ground. Even the rubbish that we throw in our bins ends up in a landfill. So one of the ways that we can make less rubbish in our landfill is to recycle those things, and there are lots and lots of things that we normally throw away in our bin that can be recycled and made into new things. Okay, so yesterday we spoke about glass, and we made a vase, and today we're going to talk about plastic. Remember, I've given you this piece of paper, and I asked you to color in all the glass items across in red. All the plastic things, I'd like you to color in green. Okay, I've got a plastic packet. I've got a plastic container that maybe like washing liquid or something like that comes in. I've got another plastic bottle that maybe oil, a water bottle that we drink out of, and then like a Coke bottle where we get juice. Okay, these are all things that are made out of plastic. And so today I'd like you to color in all the way up to the end here, them in green. Okay, and that is going towards our craft on Friday. So now plastic is possibly one of the worst things that we can throw away because it takes so long to break down. Okay, so if we can find ways that we can reuse plastic and do other things with plastic, then it's just not going to get thrown away and it gets reused for something else. So these are lids of bottles, either like a milk container or something like that, any type of lid. So that's what we need to need today. And we are going to make an owl. So I've just got a bit of card that I'm going to use, and I've already cut out a triangle, and that's going to be my owl's beak. And then just out of a scrap piece of paper, I drew a circle and then cut it out quite a bit smaller than this circle so it fits inside. And I've just, as you can see, it's actually old paper, and I'm going to glue them on the insides of my lids. Okay, and these make quite nice cards. If you're wanting to do a birthday card for something, see, I'm putting quite a big blob on it, and I'm just sticking it on the inside. All right, of my lid, because owls have huge round eyes. Okay, then I'm going to put my beak on first. All right, and again, all the paper that I'm using, I'm actually just using scrap pieces of paper. Now, if you want to use craft glue, the runny white glue, you can. I'm just using like a Pritt, and I'm just putting a blob on there, and it will dry. Then I'm going to position my eyes. Here we go. Let me just have a look at it, see if they're even. Yep. Look at that owl. Now, you can decorate your owl. I've just got a marker, and I'm going to give it some wings. All right. I'm going to give it some feet. And you can decorate it more if you want. If you've got some feathers lying around, you can glue little feathers onto the wings. I did this one earlier, and I just drew some feathers onto my owl there. But you can decorate it as much as you like. If you want to put glitter on the wings and make it a sparkly owl, you can do that as well. Have fun. Happy crafting.